Welcome back to Tea's Veggies. So we're back in our garden again, and it's been raining for a few days, so we're gonna see how we could make use of the wet weather and plant out some more things. So these plants here were basically not doing much, but since it started raining, you can see them doing much better. So we have a little spot that's in between here, so I think I'm gonna plant from there to there. So this is what I have here, which should be more than we have space for, so I'm probably gonna find somewhere else to put them in. So we have some celery, I think this is broccoli, basil, eggplant, tomatoes, some peppers that were doing not too well because they've been in these pots for a while, and I think aphids and all are starting to take over. So I just basically clipped off the top, like to top them off, and I'm gonna see how they do. So I did get all the plants to fit, so they're all here. And since I'm here, we could just look around and see what else is going on. I showed these already. This tomato is just pushing up now. It's looking good. I don't see any flowers as yet, but it's doing good. This papaya tree is starting to do something. And then over here, the mustard greens and everything in there is enjoying the rain. I just took out some grass from there just a few minutes ago. I just spotted this pepper here. Another one, I don't know if you can see it, right here. Tomatoes are still pumping out tomatoes. This okra tree is coming up nicely. This eggplant has an eggplant here, and then another one below here. This eggplant has one here as well. There we have a pepper turning red. Have some more peppers here. This eggplant wasn't planted that long ago, so it's doing good. Oh, I didn't see this one. Just putting out a pepper. And then what else do we have? I think that's all the fruiting we have going on, besides the usual tomatoes and such. Starfruit is putting on more blossoms. So this is basically an overview of this area. It was so easy to plant this morning because the soil is so wet. We got some rain again last night. I can't say that I don't enjoy it, because it means less watering and the plants look great. So I think I'm going to sign off for here for today. The sun is coming out, getting to be real hot. Thanks again for joining me for this short video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.